The Himalayas are vast and gorgeous and beautiful, but also brutal. You start off and it's blue skies and lovely weather, and a day or two in, everything changes. And that's really the reality of the Himalayas, that they're just absolutely unpredictable. Whatever you expect, it's not going to happen. That drives us and informs us to make the kind of motorcycle that the Himalayan is. Everything is going to be thrown at it, so it should be able to adapt, it should be able to figure out a way around all kinds of situations, to be able to traverse the Himalayas, which are always going to be unpredictable. The original Himalayan was born in the Himalayas. The new Himalayan was shaped and built by the Himalayas as well. It's still the same story of exploration, it just keeps evolving. People are going into deeper parts of the Himalayas. They're going in conditions that are much more tricky. People want something that can adapt to different environments, that can adapt to different needs at different times. The perfect state when you're riding is to try and find the equilibrium between the man, the machine, and the terrain. And that's when it brings most joy, it brings most happiness, brings most peace to us as riders. Life is ever evolving, terrains are ever evolving. The only certainty is that nothing is certain. People will only need this one motorcycle to do everything that they ever want to do.
Fantastic. I'm in.
Come on.
Sold. I'm on one.